Good day everyone. Today I will discuss the EVAP system or the evaporative emission control system. This system is important because it helps reduce harmful fuel vapors, keep your vehicle efficient, and protect the environment. I will also discuss each component, its common problems, causes, and solution. The EVAP system captures fuel vapors from the fuel tank and stores them until the engine can burn them. This helps reduce pollution and prevent fuel smell around the vehicle. Charcoal canister. This component stores fuel vapors. Common problem: canister gets clogged. Causes: overfilling the fuel tank. Solution: replace the canister and avoid topping off the tank. Purge control valve. The purge valve controls when vapors enter the engine. Common problem: valve stuck open or closed. Causes: carbon debris or electrical issues. Solution: clean or replace and check wirings. Vent control valve. This valve lets fresh air enter the EVAP system. Common problem: valve stuck closed. Causes: dirt or corrosion. Solution: clean or replace the valve. Fuel tank pressure sensor. This sensor monitors fuel pressure in the tank. Common problem: wrong pressure readings. Causes: sensor failure or damaged wiring. Solution: replace sensor and repair wiring. Fuel cap. The gas cap seals the fuel tank. Common problem: loose or damaged cap. Cause: worn rubber seal or not tightened. Solution: tighten or replace the gas cap if it's worn. EVAP hoses. The EVAP hoses carry the fuel vapors. Common problem: crack or leaking hoses. Causes: heat, age, or vibration. Solution: replace the damaged hoses. Leak detection pump. Some vehicle uses this to check the system leaks. Common problem: pump not building pressure. Causes: weak motor or internal leaks. Solution: replace the pump. Fuel tank or rollover valve. These ensure fuel vapors are safely controlled. Common problems: leaks or stuck valves. Causes: rust, damage, or dirt. Solution: repair or replace the part. In summary, the EVAP system keeps harmful vapors from escaping, improves fuel efficiency, and protects the environment. Most problems are caused by cracks, stuck valves, or overfilling the tank. Thank you for listening.